Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a beautiful song here from Dex. It's called Lonely Dirt Road. So I really appreciate his songs, always meaningful lyrics, and yeah, very playful when it comes to guitar and to handle the song. Very easy often. So this time we have the four famous chords: E minor, G, D, and C. We're gonna go that without any capo. It's free there on the fretboard. So yeah, let's go and dive right into the chords. We're gonna start with E minor. I'm gonna add one extra note to it. That will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and this added third E. Okay. Next chord will be G, and that goes third on E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. We have D next, and that will be open D, second G, third B, and second E, and C. And that goes third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Okay, so we have two ways of handling this chord progression. By the way, it goes like that from the beginning till the end. E minor, G, D, and C. So we have the first way when it's just one down and two claps. Okay, that's what we're gonna play per chord. So down, clap, clap, G, clap, clap, D, and so on, right? So that is one way of handling it. And when it comes to the claps there, usually we go with a full hand on all the strings. Not this time, because we only have one down. We want the sound to ring out, and that way we will kill the sound if we just clap on all the strings. So what I do here, I hit my thumb on the E string, okay? In that way, we'll let all the other strings ring out, and we have some kind of the sound going on there during this chord progression, all right? So one down on E minor, and then a clap on the E string, and then a pause, and then a clap again, okay? So. Right? That's how it could go. And then we want to add up a little bit more in action and go to somewhat of a string pattern. So yeah, if we grab the first chord again, the E minor, one string around will be like this. Okay, now we're using the claps on all the strings, okay, because we work much more with downs and ups, and we keep that sound alive there. So we have two halves that are very, very similar to each other. So we're gonna start with down, up, clap, up, down, up. So down, up for two times. Then comes the clap, and then up, down, up. That's the first half of it. So. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. Then you have a short pause there, and that pause takes away the first down. If you imagine you do this for 2 rounds, then take away the first down, so a pause, and then you just continue with up, down, up. You take away the first down, and then up, clap, up, down, up. Okay? So the only difference there is the second time you play this to fulfill the second half or the full round is to take away the first down. So first half will be down, up, clap, up, down, up, and then pause, and then up, clap, up, down, up. So. That way you get the same rhythm going on there. And the claps will be landing in the same way as if you just would play the down, clap, clap, and so on. So it fits perfectly there. So yeah, one of these big strumming rounds per chord, E minor, G, D, C, would sound like this. And that's what's going on in Dex song called Lonely Dirt Road. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. I did. And yeah, feel free to support me here on Growing Guitar like you usually do. Write a comment, like this tutorial, and yeah, most important, subscribe to this channel, and see you soon. Play tuned.